Hello, this is Fridanis Margaret Almarano from UMS 11A, and today I am interviewing Ate Kyla Manera, who is a Christian for my performance task in Introduction to World Religions and Belief Systems. So I wanted to introduce who Ate Kyla Manera is first. Ate Kyla is a Christian who I went to a youth camp last summer, and we became friends there. Now for the first question. So for the first question, I wanted to ask about the positive effects of Christianity in your life.
I think po a few positive effects that my religion has affected me is first of all, it's a relationship po with the Lord. And I believe na marami po talaga siyang nadulot sa akin na mabuti because I am able to meet good people and hindi lang na-realize ko po na hindi po pala ako nag-iisa in this journey.
For the second question, I wanted to know if Christianity have any negative effects in your life.
I believe po for number 2 na wala pa po ako na-experience ng negative effects. Pero po, I have experienced a lot of problems, of course, as a human. Pero I believe po and I have put my faith in Christ na lahat po ay nangyayari because may plano siya. And yung mga na-experience ko pong problema, at the end na-realize ko po na it's for my good po pala kasi ang dami ko po natututunan and nag-grow din po ako as a person. Hindi lang po spiritually, pero personally din po. And naapektuhan din po yung mga ibang taong kasama ko in a good way.
Next naman po, I wanted to know if Christianity have any influence on your decision making or your actions in life.
Ayan, as I've mentioned po kanina no, na we call it a relationship rather po than a religion. And I believe po na talaga na-influence po yung actions ko and lalo na po sa decisions ko when it comes to mga major decisions in life. And meron po kasi akong pinanghahawakan ng faith sa Lord na yun po, meron po siyang plano sa akin. And I believe po na whenever I act, na ano po, parang kumbaga pinag-iisipan ko po talaga siya if tama po ba to or mali po ba to because I want it na according po sa love ng Lord. Ayun.
Now, for the fourth question, do you think your religion, Christianity, brings people together, like unite them, or does it divide them?
Ayun. I believe po na, yun nga po, we call it rather a relationship, no, na talagang it will unite people, kaya din po nabubuo yung word na church, kasi ayun po yung mga taong nakakasama natin. And itong mga taong to po yung mga kasama natin maglakad, kasama natin sa mga mahihirap at masayang moments natin. So, naniniwala po ako na it will unite us. It's because of the love of the Lord for us.
Now, lastly po, I wanted to know about how you view people po na merong ibang religion sa religion mo or ibang faith po na hindi Christianity.
For our next question, ako po naniniwala po ako na lahat po tayo ay pantay-pantay lang. Lahat po tayo tao, lahat po tayo nagkakamali. And pantay-pantay lang po tayo sa mata ng Diyos. Kaya hindi po namin, or hindi ko po iniisip na iba po kami sa ibang tao. Pero yung na-experience po namin na good news, yung katotohanan po na naaalam namin, gustong-gusto po namin siya i-share sa mga ibang tao po na naniniwala sa iba because ito pong pinaniniwalaan namin is ito po talaga yung totoo. Kaya gusto po namin siya i-share sa iba. And also, nire-respeto din po namin yung paniniwala nila. Pero at the same time, gusto rin po namin na ma-share nga po yung katotohanan po na alam po namin para lahat po tayo naniniwala sa isang katotohanan.
That's all po for my questions, and thank you so much po Ate Kayla for giving such wonderful answers. Again, I am Fridanis Margaret L. Moreno from UMS 11A, and Ate Kayla is my friend from the youth camp I went to in summer, who is a Christian. So, for the reflections naman po, from what I learned from Ate Kyla's answers, I think yung positive effects po ng Christianity sa buhay ng mga Christians is that it brings them a lot of hope po. It gives them stuff to be thankful for, their faith and love of Jesus Christ and their God gives them so much joy. Dahil po nung sa youth camp din po namin, nakita ko po kung gaano nila i-worship yung God po nila. And sobrang saya po nila habang nag-worship po sila. And I can see po na it brings them so much hope and so much joy to just worship and love their God. For the negative effects naman po, I didn't really see much of any negative effects. Something from what Ate Kyla said, she has some negative effects that she might have experienced were mostly because of just normal human problems. So, as for the negative effects of Christianity, I really haven't seen or observed anything of the sorts. That's all. For the last time, this is Frida Eunice Margaret L. Moreno from UMS 11A, now signing off.